Are you planning a big project and need a reliable dumpster rental service? Look no further than our Lechuga Trucking. Our services are designed to meet all your waste disposal needs efficiently and affordably. At our Lechuga Trucking, we pride ourselves on offering top-notch dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction project, or a significant cleanout, we've got the perfect dumpster size for you. Our streamlined process ensures a hassle-free experience from start to finish. We'll deliver the dumpster to your location at a convenient time. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service and ensuring your seamless and efficient experience with us. With our Lechuga Trucking, you can focus on your project while we care for the waste. Choosing us for your dumpster rental service means choosing reliability, efficiency, and top-notch customer care. We understand the importance of keeping your projects on track, so we strive to provide the best service in the industry. Don't let waste management slow you down. Contact us today at www.ourlechugatrucking.com or call us at 562-230-9538 to experience the difference our dumpster rental service can make. Our Lechuga Trucking, your trusted partner in waste management.